Welcome back to the video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up my phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. Having opened up my phone settings, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on display and brightness. Then scroll down all the way down until you get to system navigation. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Go ahead and switch to gesture navigation. For you to switch to gesture navigation, simply click on here. It's that simple. So you can see example of gesture navigation right here. So what we want to do next is to exit from here. Then if I swipe this way, and I can easily make use of the gesture navigation right here. If I swipe this way, you can see I can do all this with gesture navigation. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Infinix Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.